Hi and welcome, guys. This is me currently speaking on this that happened because they were threatening me that they will take my
It's
phone,
fine.
and I said, according to the law,
Fine.
you
So
cannot do
I
that.
must be forced to do something I don't want to do.
So yeah, guys, I just wanted to say that the police only work for people who has money. It doesn't matter whether you are innocent or what's going on in your life, and that was during my recovery. So yeah, it is actually heartbreaking to know that they do not care and they only do their work for the
This was
money.
a stupid matter of him taking me
And you
on.
have to pay them
And
double
he
to
tried
do
make it out
something
of proportion. I
that
didn't
they're
know the law
already
was
getting
there
paid
for
to do.
a couple's thing.
And that's so unfair. So unfair.